Okay, so it will be. Where is my pen? It will be or only these two options we have, right? Otherwise, you don't have any options. So now, what we were doing yesterday, we were keeping the shollukattu in one speed and varying the tala into 3 speeds, right? Now, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Good. It should be one engine should go first. Then everybody joins. Who is the engine now? Now we will try individual bogies wise. Bogie wise we will try. Start. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki. Very good. Ta, very good. You should say. You should not do the ta, ki, ta, ta, ki. Before doing also, you nodding your hand. Ta, ta, perfect. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. You say ta, ki, ta. It will come. Ta is coming faster. One second. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, 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 ki, ta. No, I didn't say anything. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta. Say ta, it is not. Is not coming. Ta, ga, ki, ta, ga. Very good. Now try. Ta, ki, ta, ki, ta, on ta, ki, ta, and try it again. Ta, ki, huh? Huh? You should not stop. One second.